Ancient texts mentioned these 20 foods thousands of years ago, and modern science just confirmed they can drop inflammation, boost immunity, and reverse damage in your body within days. The wildest part? 15 of them are sitting in your kitchen right now, and the other 5 cost less than your morning coffee. What people were eating in biblical times might just be the health reset you've been searching for. Welcome to Earthly Gardening, where we grow health without emptying wallets. If this is your first time here, you've found a corner of YouTube where ancient wisdom meets backyard growing. For my returning friends, glad to have you back. Let's dig into something powerful today. Real quick, hit that like button right now so more people discover these healing foods. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because we're covering stuff that actually changes lives around here. Notifications on means you won't miss a thing. All right, let's get into these superfoods. Superfood 1, figs. Starting strong with figs, mentioned over 50 times in scripture. These aren't just sweet treats. Figs are loaded with fiber that regulates blood sugar naturally and keeps your digestive system running smooth. Here's what makes them special. They contain polyphenol that fight oxidative stress in your cells. That's fancy talk for anti-aging from the inside out. Plus, figs deliver potassium, calcium, and magnesium without any effort. Fresh or dried, figs work. Dried ones are concentrated energy, perfect for quick nutrition. Eat 3 or 4 daily, and watch your digestion improve within a week. They're also incredibly easy to grow in warm climates. One tree produces hundreds of figs every season. Plant it once, harvest for decades. Superfood 2, barley. Barley was the grain of the common people, and there's a reason it sustained entire civilizations. This grain lowers cholesterol better than oats, according to recent studies. It's packed with beta-glucan fiber that literally pulls bad cholesterol out of your bloodstream. Barley also stabilizes blood sugar for hours because it's low on the glycemic index. No spike, no crash, just steady energy. Use it in soups, cook it like rice, or sprout it for even more nutrients. Growing barley in your garden is straightforward. It handles cool weather, doesn't need much water, and you can harvest your own grain. Real food security right there. Superfood 3, dates. Dates are nature's candy with serious benefits. They were considered so valuable that they're mentioned as symbols of prosperity throughout ancient texts. These fruits are energy bombs, perfect before workouts, but they also contain selenium, copper, and magnesium that support bone health and brain function. The fiber content prevents blood sugar spikes despite their sweetness. Dates are also amazing for pregnant women. Studies show they can ease labor when eaten in the final weeks. That's wild. 1 or 2 dates daily gives you natural sweetness plus minerals. If you're in the right climate, date palms are investment plants that produce for 50 years. Superfood 4, pomegranate. Pomegranates are antioxidant powerhouses. The deep red seeds contain punicalagins and punicic acid, compounds with anti-inflammatory effects stronger than green tea. Research shows pomegranate juice can improve heart health, lower blood pressure, and even slow prostate cancer cell growth. The memory improvement benefits are being studied right now with promising results. Eating pomegranates is simple. Cut them open, extract the arils, toss them on salads, or eat them straight. The slight tartness comes from beneficial compounds doing real work in your body. Growing pomegranate trees is easier than most fruit trees. They handle drought, don't need fancy soil, and produce reliably. Superfood 5, olive oil. Olive oil deserves its reputation. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, which works like natural ibuprofen in your body. It reduces inflammation at the cellular level. The monounsaturated fats protect your heart, improve cholesterol ratios, and help absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Your brain loves olive oil too because it supports cognitive function and may protect against Alzheimer's. Use it raw on salads to get maximum benefits. Cooking with it works too, just don't overheat it. 2 tablespoons daily makes a measurable difference. Growing olives takes patience, but in Mediterranean climates, they thrive with minimal care and live for centuries. Superfood 6, honey. Raw honey is antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal all in one golden package. It contains hydrogen peroxide naturally, which is why it never spoils and heals wounds when applied topically. Local raw honey helps with seasonal allergies because it contains trace amounts of local pollen. Your immune system gets gentle exposure and builds tolerance. Honey also soothes coughs better than some over-the-counter medicines, according to studies. Make sure it's raw and unfiltered to get the enzymes and pollen. 1 spoonful in warm tea or straight up delivers benefits. If you can keep bees, you're creating medicine and food simultaneously while helping pollinator populations. Quick pause. If you're learning something valuable, show some love with that like button. Drop a comment telling me which superfood you already use or which one surprised you most. Your engagement helps this reach more people who need it. Let's keep going. Superfood 7. Lentils. Lentils are protein-packed budget champions. They were staple food in biblical times because they deliver complete nutrition cheaply. 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you 18 grams of protein and 15 grams of fiber. They're loaded with folate, iron, and potassium. Lentils stabilize blood sugar, promote gut health, and keep you full for hours. They cook in 20 minutes without soaking. Throw them in soups, make them into curries, or eat them plain. Growing lentils is simple. They're legumes that fix nitrogen in soil, improving your garden while feeding you. Superfood 8. Garlic. Garlic is medicinal food. Allicin, the compound that forms when you crush garlic, has antibacterial and antiviral properties that boost immunity. Studies show garlic lowers blood pressure, reduces cholesterol, and may prevent certain cancers. It thins blood naturally, supporting heart health. During cold and flu season, raw garlic is your friend. Crush it and let it sit for 10 minutes before eating to activate the allicin. Mix it with honey for easier consumption. Growing garlic couldn't be simpler. Plant cloves in fall, ignore them all winter, harvest in summer. 1 clove becomes a whole bulb. Superfood 9. Grapes. Grapes contain resveratrol, especially in the skins. This compound protects your heart, improves blood flow, and has anti-aging properties. The natural sugars in grapes provide quick energy, while the polyphenol fight inflammation. Red and purple grapes have higher antioxidant levels than green ones. Eat them fresh, freeze them for snacks, or juice them. Grapevines are vigorous growers that produce abundantly once established. They need support structures but reward you with pounds of fruit annually. Superfood 10. Almonds. Almonds are brain food. They're rich in vitamin E, which protects cells from oxidative damage. The healthy fats support brain function and hormone production. Almonds also provide magnesium for muscle and nerve function, plus protein for sustained energy. Eating them with skins on gives you maximum fiber and antioxidants. A handful daily improves cholesterol levels and helps with weight management because they're so satisfying. Almond trees need the right climate but produce for 25 years. The spring blossoms alone are worth growing them. Superfood 11. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are omega-3 champions for people who don't eat fish. They contain alpha-linolenic acid that reduces inflammation and supports heart health. The lignans in flax have antioxidant properties and may balance hormones. Ground flax also delivers soluble fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. You must grind them to absorb the nutrients. Whole seeds pass through undigested. Sprinkle ground flax on oatmeal, blend it in smoothies, or add it to baked goods. Growing flax is easy. It's a cool season crop with beautiful blue flowers and multiple uses. Superfood 12. Mustard greens. Mustard greens pack serious nutritional punch. They're loaded with vitamins A, C, and K plus calcium and folate. The glucosinolates they contain have cancer-fighting properties. These greens support bone health, boost immunity, and promote detoxification. The slight bitterness comes from beneficial compounds. Cook them to mellow the flavor, or eat young leaves raw in salads. Growing mustard greens is incredibly easy. They grow fast, tolerate cold, and produce multiple harvests. Plant them in spring or fall. Superfood 13. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are hydration heroes. They're 95% water, making them perfect for staying hydrated while delivering vitamins and minerals. The silica in cucumber skin strengthens connective tissue, supporting healthy skin and joints. Cucumbers also contain cucurbitacins with anti-inflammatory effects. Eat them with skins on for maximum benefits. They're incredibly refreshing and low in calories. Growing cucumbers is beginner-friendly. Give them a trellis, keep them watered, and they produce abundantly all summer. Superfood 14. Leeks. Leeks are allium family members with unique benefits. They contain camphorol, a flavonoid that protects blood vessels and fights inflammation. Leeks support heart health, aid digestion with their prebiotic fiber, and provide vitamins A and K. They're milder than onions, but equally beneficial. Use them in soups, sauté them, or roast them whole. Growing leeks takes patience, but they're hardy and cold-tolerant. They store well, too, giving you fresh alliums deep into winter. Superfood 15. Coriander, cilantro. Coriander seeds and cilantro leaves both appear in ancient texts. This herb helps remove heavy metals from your body naturally. It's a powerful chelator. Coriander aids digestion, reduces bloating, and has antimicrobial properties. The antioxidants support skin health and may lower blood sugar. Use fresh cilantro generously in cooking or make tea from the seeds. Growing cilantro is simple, but it bolts quickly in heat. Plant it in spring and fall for best results. It self-seeds readily. Superfood 16. Onions. Onions are everyday medicine. They contain quercetin, an antioxidant with antihistamine effects that helps with allergies and inflammation. Onions support heart health, boost immunity, and have antibacterial properties. The sulfur compounds that make you cry also provide health benefits. Red onions have the highest antioxidant content. Eat them raw for maximum quercetin or cook them for sweeter flavor. Growing onions is straightforward. Plant sets in spring, keep them weeded, and harvest when tops fall over. Superfood 17. Wheat berries. Whole wheat berries, not processed flour, were the biblical staple. These intact kernels provide fiber, protein, B vitamins, and minerals. The bran and germ contain most nutrients that get stripped away in white flour. Wheat berries stabilize blood sugar and promote digestive health. Cook them like rice, sprout them for salads, or grind them fresh for flour. Growing wheat in home gardens is possible. It's actually quite beautiful and gives you complete control over your grain quality. Superfood 18. Beans. Various beans appear throughout Scripture for good reason. They're protein-dense, fiber-rich, and incredibly affordable. Beans improve cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, and feed beneficial gut bacteria. The resistant starch in beans supports metabolic health. Black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, they all deliver benefits. Soak them overnight and cook thoroughly. Growing beans is beginner-level gardening. They're nitrogen fixers that improve your soil while producing food. Superfood 19. Mint. Mint was so valuable it was used as currency. This herb aids digestion powerfully, relieving bloating and indigestion almost immediately. Mint has antimicrobial properties and may improve brain function and respiratory health. The menthol provides natural pain relief. Fresh mint tea after meals aids digestion. Add it to salads or use it as garnish. Growing mint is almost too easy. It spreads aggressively, so contain it in pots. One plant multiplies endlessly. Superfood 20. Grains of paradise, cardamom. Finishing with cardamom, a spice worth its weight in gold historically. Cardamom aids digestion, freshens breath, and has antioxidant properties. It supports respiratory health, may lower blood pressure, and has antimicrobial effects. The unique flavor enhances both sweet and savory dishes. Use it in tea, baked goods, or rice dishes. Growing cardamom requires tropical or greenhouse conditions, but the seeds are available and affordable. A little goes a long way in terms of flavor and benefits. There you have it, 20 biblical superfoods backed by modern science. These aren't exotic or expensive. They're accessible, growable, and genuinely healing. If this opened your eyes to foods you've been overlooking, smash that like button one more time. Subscribe if you want more content that blends ancient wisdom with practical growing advice. Hit that notification bell. Tell me in the comments which superfood you're adding to your diet first, or which ones you already grow. I read everything, and your input shapes future videos. Until next time, keep growing and keep it earthy.